Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about variables in UiPath Studio. So let's begin. So when you click on this variable section, you will see here that we can create a variable from here. For that, first we need to add a sequence. Okay, so we will add it for a sequence. After adding a sequence, we can give here name, any name that we want. Like for example, I'll give the name is variable. Okay, then you can give here a default value also, like if you want to give any default value. So about this we need to uh, drop a activity in that sequence first. Okay, once you add this activity, what you can do is you need to set a variable for this activity first. Because it's not set, it's giving an error. As you can see, the value for the requirement activity argument content was not supplied. So what you can do is you can give a variable here also, or otherwise you can just create a new variable and you can assign here also. Okay, so what you have to do is there are two ways. You can do it from here also, or otherwise you can do it from here also by just shortcut key control K. Then you can give here variable 2. Okay, hit enter. As you can see, it got created here. Okay, now I will delete this. Now you have to pass on. Let's go with the first one with string. Let's pass the string here. Before giving any before giving any default value here, first what we can do is we can run this and we can check it what it give us the output. So it's giving us a blank message because we haven't declare any value for that variable first. Okay, so we need to declare a value for that. So let's give a value here, like for better understand what we can do is we can just delete this also variable and we'll assign that variable here. What you can say, just you need to type a v. You can see this icon is there and the created variable is showing here. Okay, so just select that. That's it. Now the error has been gone. Now you can declare here a string. Okay, so I am giving here like string like hello world message. Okay, now if you run this, you can see here it's giving us the output hello world. Okay, so this is how you can declare a variable. And now what we can do is we can go for the variable types. The first one is boolean. So boolean declares only true or false values. Okay, like yes or no. So true, as you can see it's showing true, otherwise you can give false. Always keep in mind that don't give any quotes for the true and false, otherwise it will show us the error. Like if I give the as a true, it's giving us the error here, you can see. So it's better to give like without the quotes. Okay, now the second one is integer 32. Basically you can declare here any number you want. Okay, like 4, 1 or 2 or 6 or 5, any variable or any integer, sorry. Or otherwise you can give a larger number also, like 44456. Okay, that also you can declare here. But the in this variable type you cannot declare a decimal number here. Okay, so like 25.26, you can't give this kind of values. Okay, it will give us the error. Okay, so this is the use of this integer 32. Then let's begin with the string. String means the value which is in double quotes, that is string that you can declare here, a message or something like that, hello world or something like that, you can declare here in the string. Okay, now in the object is like object is used for everything, like you can use a integer value also like 12. Okay, otherwise you can use also string. Okay, also you can use a decimal number. Okay, like 34.55. Okay, 24.55. Otherwise you can use uh boolean values also like true and false. Okay, this is the use of this object variable type. And there are all others are also there, like system data table. This is used to enter the data in the table. Then array of t is also there, and there are some more also is there. Like if you don't want to use an object, you can use it the another one, which is system double. Okay, I'll show you. You need to go here and you need to type system. These are the other variables that you can search it here. Okay, system double. As you can see, this one system double. Just double click on it, and you can give here the number like 54.45. It got declared here. Okay, so this is the use of this variable, and there are multiple variables also there. Just browse for the types and you'll get the other multiple variables are there. Okay, but the main variables are only boolean, integer, string, and object. Okay, the in the initial beginner state, you need to learn this for first. Okay, so this is the use of the variables, and in the next videos we will learn about how to give a value for the variable in the activity in another activities also, and also we will learn about the scope, what is the use of this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.